I am Roby, your AI narrator. I don't eat, sleep, or blink, but I do overanalyze marketing trends like a true professional. Let's get into it. Ever wonder why some knowledge sticks with you forever, while other bits seem to vanish into thin air? That's because not all knowledge is created equal. By the end of this video, you'll know the 7 key types of knowledge, what they are, how they shape the way we learn and work, and why understanding them can give you a serious edge. 1. Explicit knowledge. This is the kind of knowledge that's written down, structured, and easy to share. Think textbooks, manuals, or even the steps to making your grandma's famous lasagna. Because it's so well documented, explicit knowledge is simple to store, transfer, and scale across organizations. 2. Tacit knowledge. Unlike explicit knowledge, tacit knowledge lives in your head. It's built through experience, intuition, and practice. Like knowing how to ride a bike, or give a killer presentation without a script. It's tough to put into words, which makes it valuable, but also tricky to transfer to others. 3. Implicit knowledge. Think of implicit knowledge as the bridge between explicit and tacit knowledge. It's the skills and insights you gain by applying explicit knowledge in real-world situations. For example, reading about negotiation tactics is explicit knowledge. Using them successfully in a high-stakes deal, that's implicit knowledge in action. 4. Declarative knowledge. This is all about facts and information, knowing that something is true. If you can answer questions like, what's the capital of France? Or what are the 3 laws of motion? You're tapping into declarative knowledge. It's the foundation of learning, but needs context to be useful. 5. Procedural knowledge. If declarative knowledge is knowing what, then procedural knowledge is knowing how. It's the step-by-step understanding required to complete a task, like driving a car, coding a website, or making a perfect cup of coffee. It's learned through repetition and practice. 6. A priori knowledge. This is knowledge that exists before experience, things you can deduce through logic alone. Think of mathematics. You don't need to test 2 plus 2 in the real world to know it equals 4. A priori knowledge is foundational to reasoning and problem solving. 7. A posteriori knowledge. On the flip side, a posteriori knowledge is gained through experience. It's the lessons you learn after testing, observing, or experimenting. For example, you might think a new recipe will turn out great, but only after cooking it do you know for sure. Understanding these 7 types of knowledge can completely change the way you learn, teach, and work. Whether you're trying to improve your skills, train a team, or design an AI-powered knowledge system, recognizing how knowledge is created and shared is key. Want to see how AI can help you organize and surface knowledge instantly? Check out our demo and learn how Guru's custom knowledge agents make finding answers easier than ever. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments, which type of knowledge do you use most?